Well, folks, I'm going to go ahead and do another cold start of the 1984 Dodge van. Let's go ahead and pump it because it's carbureted. And last time I started it, and just a second, my mom's just right outside. Oh, she's giving me a slip. Oh yeah, some lists of what to buy. She didn't have to rush. It's no big deal. And last time I started, when the gauge didn't turn, it remained at the low, but actually the gauge was sticking. So let's see if that's true. Pump it. Yeah, it's moving. Oh. Jeez. This thing's still got a lot of power. Just barely pushing on the gas, like 1.25 throttle. Man, these old Chrysler made vehicles are pretty powerful. It sounds like I'm knocking on the door of somebody's house. Sweet. There we go. Let's go ahead and shut it off. The gauge is still stuck. Yep. Yep. It is gaining oil pressure.